going on, everybody? It's your boy Mr. Football West Coast, and I'm back at you with another video. Today we're replacing window molding on a 2013 Bmw M3. As you can see, I use these tools right here to kind of get a head start and pry some of the old moldings off. Kind of look at it right here. Some of the stuff just kind of just peeled right off. So I was able to take that off, and we got the new side molding right here. So what we're gonna do is just kind of align that with this, as so. And what that's gonna do is you're just gonna fit that right in there, and you don't have to use these tools anymore. And these can be bought for about $5 or $6 at Harbor Freight. And it is necessary, for the most part, you know, to get this side molding, window molding out cleanly. And also too, what you want to have with you is some cleaning solution. Now this is something I kind of put together myself, and you kind of just spray the little areas right here. See how clean that looks. Kind of fit that right in there, just like that. Just easy. And then you have your adhesive that comes with it. I'm just gonna stick that right inside.